Hey guys, Jordan here from BDS Suspension, and I'm here to give you 3 facts about why our 2-inch leveling kit for our 2019 Ford Ranger is better designed. Now the first reason our kit is better than the other kits out there is because our kit has a top spacer and a preload spacer. Now some other kits, they just have one big top spacer, and that causes suspension to droop down too far, causing stress on those joints, and it's going to wear your parts out faster over time. Now the second reason this lift system is better designed is because we offer this upper BDS control arm. Now this comes with a heavy duty ball joint and rubber bushing. And this arm also corrects the ball joint position for ride height, and it also gives you optimal steering and suspension geometry. Third reason our kit is better designed is CV operating angles. Now with us using a top spacer and a preload spacer on the strut, it allows that CV boot to not fold over itself. Now other kits have that tall top strut spacer. It allows that boot to fold over itself, causing it to wear out faster. Now these 3 reasons show you why our suspension system is the best on the market for your 2019 Ford Ranger.